Well, we left the dealership. We're at the Interlake off-road area. About to air down now.
Only problem I have is cannot disconnect turn. That's the only hold up that you place.
Are we ready?
Yeah.
We're ready.
Yeah. Take a chainsaw with you. Yeah. I got a chainsaw. You need one? Yeah, no, I'm just saying. I'll cut my way through. Hey, Eric.
Yeah.
You're not going to take tail.
Okay.
For that way, Evil knows he's got people in the back that know what's going on. So, you want?
I'd like to welcome you guys to Trail Hunter USA. We're just getting started on a trip at the Interlake State Park. I think it's a state park up in Indiana. And we just got turned onto a gravel road and we had to stop and help someone get hung up out of a mud pit. So that's what we're doing here. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please like it and subscribe and all that stuff. Leave your comments. That really helps the YouTube algorithm. So appreciate you guys and enjoy the video. Go back and then bump it. I don't know. Oh, they're gonna go. I don't know what he's there. What was your last name, Bill?
Brant.
This is Bill Brent I'm out with here on the Eville truck. Is that your?
Yes, that's my YouTube channel and Instagram and everything.
Cool. I was watching his stuff before I started mine. He was putting bumpers on and everything, and I was crying. And but now I've got my own channel, so we can hang out together and do stuff like this.
Right.
Really good guy. Check his channel out. What is it?
Eville Truck.
Just Eville Truck?
Yep.
All right. Eville
or
Truck.
EvilleTruck.com, and links to there too. So.
Okay. EvilleTruck.com.
Appreciate it. It's making it look easy. He's just like, oh. Right, coming through with the Phoenix trailer, showing how capable this thing is.
Hey!
Jerry.
Come on, girls.
Hello, Eric for Trail Hunter USA.
Yeah.
Woo!
Woo.
That's just a little detour for those that want to play in the mud.
You gotta go.
Go past this, right through here, and I'm going to take you down to the main road.
I got on that.
Just go past everybody parked here. Always
Why did you do that? Oh my God.
That was a blast.
tucked out so it doesn't blend quite as well, but that's your adaptive right there? Yeah, behind that plate. What's up, Eric? Hi. I think I've seen you on YouTube.
Have you?
Probably.
Probably have.
That one time, right?
That one time?
Yeah.
Yeah, I went right up that thing with that trailer.
Yeah, it turned out all right, huh? Well, probably went faster if I should have, but it's more fun.
I might have mentioned before, Eric.
Dave.
Dave. Again, maybe.
Yes, again for the first time. Awesome. But I've had a niner that got a nice way done off. Like, yeah.
you doing? Good. Matt, this is the dirtiest I've ever seen Matt's.
It was dirtier a couple weeks ago.
Was it?
Yeah.
What did you do a couple weeks ago?
That it was dirtier than the outside on the inside.
On the inside?
Yeah.
That's pretty funny. He showed me some pictures and it was caked on the inside. He had his top down, I guess, when he was off-roading.
I won't do that again. It was, you know, pressure washing the interior is a special kind of scary.
Yeah, I've never pressure washed the interior. I've washed the floorboards out with a high-powered hose, but never had to do the seats. So
I did the front, back, everywhere. It covered up the dash and went to town with it.
did you film it?
A little bit of it, not a lot.
That'd be a good video there.
Their dollars usually.
Now, was this y'all's first time off-roading?
No.
That's like all these people.
I didn't think so. I thought somebody said that y'all were, but I didn't think you were. Yeah.
I'm not exaggerating, but their dollar goes a lot in the Bronco. The Euro goes a lot. We had a Jeep before.
Did you? What kind of Jeep did you have?
I had a Jeep Cherokee.
Jeep Cherokee.
Yeah, it was pretty capable.
Yeah, oh, good. I had
That money they use in England.
Rubicon.
That money they use in Southern
I actually had a Rubicon, and then I had a Toyota Tacoma TRD, and then when these came out, when the Broncos came out, I got a Bronco.
He's never done it before?
I'm real happy with it. Y'all's y'all are.
Why did you just get so red?
She
went from like
SOL Bronco.
white to that
You got
no
a
entrance
Instagram?
sign.
So,
Faster than those
is
Jeeps.
hers?
Play the lights
Oh,
out.
okay.
Yeah, it's mine.
Okay, SOIL on Instagram. Right. Okay.
Bronco.
Look her up. I know a lot of people say, I see soil and they're thinking like, what's soil? But
Well, it does spell out soil,
Yeah.
but it's Southern Illinois.
Southern Illinois.
Yeah.
We don't claim the rest of the state.
Oh, is that right?
We have to always put that
Yeah.
designation. Southern.
Southern. Oh, that's good. Well, we're finished with the ride. Everybody got pretty muddy. We had a good time. It was actually a little bit tougher than I thought it was going to be. I thought it would be pretty easy, and it was, but we got to get real muddy and had some challenges.
Hey, I got my activity in for today.
Oh yeah, I'm filthy. You see the inside is going to be fun.
Well, this is the end of this video. Hopefully you guys liked it. If you did, please leave us a like and leave a comment below and let me know what you think. And we will see you guys on the trails.